Hello everyone. In this video I will tell you how to change name of your Facebook page. So let's get started. Open your Facebook app and click on menu button or your profile picture and click on this icon here to see your profiles and select your page. Uh, Here it is named Tech Track. Click on it and you have been switched to your Facebook page. And then click on profile picture again and scroll down, click on settings and privacy, second one here, and then the first one, settings, click on it, scroll down and find page setup. Here it is on fifth number, click on it. Here is your name and some other options, so click on view in front of name. Here is your Facebook page name. Remember, if you change your name, you can't change it again on for 60 days or 2 months. So it means you can change your Facebook page only one time in 2 months or 60 days period. So if you want to change it, you can edit your name and click on review changes, and your Facebook page will be changed. If you like the video, please subscribe our channel to get more videos like this. Thank you.